Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by measuring ingredients precisely. 200 g coconut oil, 100 g cocoa, 1/2 cup powdered erythritol, and a pinch of salt. Accuracy matters for texture. Heat water gently, set a bowl over it, and melt the oil with cocoa while whisking to dissolve lumps. Once smooth, taste for sweetness and add 1/2 teaspoon vanilla if desired. This balances bitterness. Make sure to keep heat low. Too hot will separate fats, and move quickly to the next step so the mixture stays glossy and emulsified. Once your base is smooth, you emulsify by whisking in 2 tablespoons heavy cream or coconut cream. This creates that silky mouthfeel you expect from fudge. Whisk vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes so the fat and water phases bind. If you stop too soon, the texture will be gritty. Next, stir in vanilla and any mix-ins like 30 g chopped nuts or sugar-free chips. Fold gently so you keep the gloss. Make sure to work quickly, because the mixture begins to firm as it cools. You pour the mixture into the lined 8x8 pan and smooth the top. Tap once to remove air bubbles, then transfer to the fridge for 1 to 2 hours until firm. When set, lift from the liner and cut into squares. Use a warm knife for clean edges. Store in the refrigerator up to 10 days or freeze for longer. If the fudge turns grainy, don't panic. Reheat gently, add a splash of cream, whisk to re-emulsify. Then chill again. This usually restores a smooth texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.